August 9th, 2003, huge thunderclouds gathered over Vegas and dumped a year's worth of rain in less than an hour.
That day, that much rain on our hard desert dirt, it hit and it ran.
Flood control basins designed to protect the city from flash floods were overwhelmed.
The detention basins were doing their job. They were keeping up as fast as they could. Unfortunately, it wasn't fast enough.
That day, Angela Stitcher headed out to pick up her 2 young children from nursery school. As she drove under a highway bridge, Angela had no idea the flood was heading straight toward her.
But there wasn't any really standing water when I got there, nothing to cause any concern. But the water just came out of nowhere. It was like a tidal wave. I was just a sitting duck. There was nowhere I could go.
The water was more than 4 feet deep and moving at 25 miles an hour.
The water was actually coming up to my window. There was a man standing on top of a U-Haul truck yelling at me to get out of my car.
The sheer force of the water started moving her car.